KTM India has officially teased its upcoming motorcycle, the 160 Duke, marking the brand's entry into the competitive 160cc segment. This new model is set to become the most affordable KTM offering in India, designed to bring the brand's aggressive styling and performance-oriented approach to a wider audience. With this launch, KTM is aiming to offer a more powerful, better-equipped alternative in a category dominated by bikes like the Yamaha MT-15. Mechanically, the KTM 160 Duke is expected to be built on the second-generation Duke 200 platform. This platform brings proven hardware such as 43mm upside-down front forks, a trellis frame, rear monoshock suspension, dual-channel ABS, and a fully digital instrument cluster. These features ensure that the 160 Duke won't compromise on ride quality or handling, even as it targets a lower price bracket. Visually, the bike will retain KTM's signature Street Fighter styling, with LED lighting, sharp tank extensions, and updated graphics to set it apart from competitors. Powering the new 160 Duke will be a new 160cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. While official specifications have not yet been revealed, early estimates suggest an output in the range of 19 to 20 brake horsepower. This would give the 160 Duke a noticeable performance edge over the Yamaha MT-15, which produces 18.4 brake horsepower. Importantly, the KTM 160 Duke is being developed specifically for the Indian market. To keep costs in check, KTM has chosen to use the Gen 2 Duke 200 platform instead of the more expensive third-generation architecture used in international models. Combined with local manufacturing, this strategic move will allow KTM to price the 160 Duke competitively, offering strong value without cutting corners on performance or features. With an official launch expected soon, the KTM 160 Duke is shaping up to be a well-balanced package that blends aggressive design, premium components, and class-leading performance. It's poised to shake up the 160cc segment and attract a new generation of riders to the KTM family.